Hey everyone, it's Kristen coming to you live from the Celebrity Summit in Aruba this morning. So there are several things that Aruba is known for, including its sideways trees and some of its wildlife and salt mines and things like that. So we're gonna do an excursion this morning. There are several different types you can choose from. But today we are actually taking one where it starts on a bus tour and then goes into an hour-and-a-half catamaran ride. So let's go down and explore. Hey everyone, it's Kristen. We are on the northern side of Aruba, and behind me are the gold mines that they had, I want to say in the 18th, 19th centuries. So you can come here and explore. On the northern side of the island, which I'll show you in just a minute, there's all kinds of mines. There's actually a really strong current too. So a lot of people don't swim here because it's 10,000 feet deep, and there's all kinds of wildlife, including sharks and things like that. But even on days when the sea is calm, which is not really too often, they have a really strong current. So if you're gonna come here, just be mindful of that. Otherwise, out to sea you go. So here are those waters I was just telling you about. You'll find a lot of people don't swim here for safety reasons, but it's still nice to enjoy. And as you can see, we kind of have a little bit of a current coming in, so it's just a perfect day to just come and sightsee.
Continuing on our tour, our next stop was the California Lighthouse. It's the tallest structure in Aruba, standing around 90 feet tall. Named after the SS California, which is now a shipwreck on the northern side of Aruba, the lighthouse was originally constructed to prevent future wrecks. Currently, the lighthouse serves as a popular attraction for tourists. To get to the lighthouse, you'll pass the Alto Vista Chapel, 27 miles off the coast of Venezuela, in the town of Nord. Aruba is also known for its divi-divi trees, which grow sideways due to the trade winds. Native to Aruba and known for their silhouette, the divi-divi trees always point southwest. Not to be confused with fofoti trees, which grow on the beach, divi-divi trees are also known as watapana trees. Finally, our tour ended with a short boat ride along the west coast of Aruba. Overall, we loved the ride, but it was a bit short, and as you can see, it was actually really choppy the day that we were there. We were there during hurricane season in October, but I've actually been to Aruba at other times of the year, and I can guarantee you it was not usually that rough. But overall, would we go again? Absolutely. By the way, did you find this video helpful at all? Want more content? Hit the subscribe button below, and as always, bon voyage!